What is house hacking and how can it build wealth? Imagine waking up in your dream home with no mortgage payment to stress about. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that you could live for free or even make money by simply owning a home? Before you say, "No way, that's only for millionaires," let me stop you right there. You don't have to be a millionaire to make this happen. Stick with me, and I'll show you how house hacking can turn the key to your financial freedom. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the powerful strategy of house hacking. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how you can leverage this simple technique to start building wealth, even if you're just getting started with your financial journey. But be warned, this strategy could change everything you think you know about personal finance. 1. The concept of house hacking. So, what is house hacking exactly? It's a game-changing real estate strategy where you buy a property, live in part of it, and rent out the other parts, whether it's a duplex, triplex, or even a single-family home with a basement apartment. In short, you get to live for free or even make money off your own property. Think of it this way. You get to live in your dream space, but instead of paying rent or a mortgage out of your own pocket, your tenants are covering the bills. Sounds like a hack, doesn't it? And don't worry, I'm not asking you to become a landlord overnight. House hacking is about smart, strategic decisions that allow you to earn while you learn. And trust me, this can open doors you never thought possible. But let's dive deeper. How does this actually build wealth? 2. How house hacking builds wealth. Let's talk about the big picture, wealth building. Here's the deal. When you're living rent-free or earning income from your property, you're essentially putting yourself in a position to save money that you would have otherwise spent on living expenses. Instead of giving your hard-earned cash to a landlord or paying off a huge mortgage, you're pocketing that cash. That's real money you can put toward your future, whether it's paying down debt, reinvesting in more property, or building your savings. Now, I'm not saying your wallet will look like this forever, but when you start house hacking, it doesn't have to. You're getting paid while living in your own property, and that's the kind of financial hack that lets you build serious wealth. By generating rental income, you not only cover your living costs, but you also position yourself to take advantage of real estate appreciation, meaning your property will likely increase in value over time. And when that happens, your wealth grows even more. It's a strategy that works even if you're just starting out. You're leveraging other people's money, your tenant's rent, to help pay down your mortgage and build equity in the property. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. House hacking isn't risk-free, and if you're not careful, things could go south. Let's talk about that next. 3. The risks and how to avoid them. Now, like any investment, house hacking has its risks. You're not just living for free. You're responsible for your tenants, repairs, and, yes, the occasional unpredictable issue. But don't panic. With the right planning and mindset, these risks can be minimized. First things first, tenant screening is your best friend. If you want to make sure you're not dealing with late payments or property damage, take the time to thoroughly screen your tenants. Good tenants are key to making house hacking a success. And while you might need to fix the occasional leaky pipe or unexpected issue, always have an emergency fund set aside for repairs. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Additionally, it's important to understand your local housing market. Buy in an area with strong demand for rental properties and make sure the numbers work. Not every property is a perfect candidate for house hacking, but when you find the right one, it's like finding gold. Once you're prepared, house hacking becomes not just a way to live for free, but an incredible opportunity to grow wealth over time, without the crazy risk of putting all your money into a single investment. So, now that you know how house hacking works, You're probably wondering, how do I get started? What's the first step? Well, in just a minute, I'm going to share exactly how you can begin your house hacking journey and start building your financial future today. Before we get into that though, if you're excited about the idea of house hacking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Drop a comment below. Are you ready to start house hacking? Or maybe you have questions. Let's chat. All right, here it is. The key to getting started with house hacking. It all starts with taking that first step. And I'll reveal the most important tip right after this. This structure keeps your audience engaged with emotional triggers, a strong hook, and practical information delivered in an exciting and relatable way. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.